morning all. Today is Sunday and it's a very casual ride. Not much of a plan. Right? It was just a casual. I had some other plan, but the plan got fucked up in the morning. So now I'm just heading for a casual ride. Maybe I'll go to Gurgaon Faridabad highway. It's been long that I haven't been there. So I'll pay a quick visit out there and we'll come back because I need to be back within an hour or so. I need to give my bike for service. So let's continue. Okay, hairstylist. So let's continue with the Sunday casual ride. Let's enjoy. Guys, we are heading to Gurgaon Faridabad highway. What do I have to tell about it? Well, it's a highway which connects Gurgaon and Faridabad. That's it. It's as simple as that. But for bikers, it's a paradise. You turn on the straight roads, awesome feeling. You get, the adrenaline rush. You get the satisfaction. A little satisfaction. I can't say it's the best road or a person can learn from here, but obviously for a starter or a medium player who's been into riding for a long and who wants something different out of the straight roads and public day-to-day traveling, this is something different and one person will like it very much. I hope you guys will enjoy the Gurgaon Faridabad highway through the eyes of Delhi solo rider. So let's go. Well, actually we are on some part of the highway.
A few moments later.
Present you Gurgaon Faridabad highway. So this is Gurgaon Faridabad highway. So let's get started, guys. Weather seems to be good and you can see or you can spot many riders with n number of bikes. You can spot any bikes, any sports bike, any kind of bikes which people ride. Even there are people who ride bicycles, there are people who do running and jogging. You can find squids as well, but you have to ride with responsibility. That's the main objective out here.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's the mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
Harley Davidson, any kind of a bike, feels pretty good. It's part of a community. The bikers community come together on a one single day. That is a Sunday because सबका off होता है ना, इसीलिए. Yeah, everyone comes, rides together, respects each other, give them space. Well, mine been very favorite ever since I've seen the picture somewhere around 2 or 3 years back. It was MV Agusta Dragster 800RR. So yeah, that is what I want. That is the bike I would wish to have in my garage. Right now I'm having two bikes. One is Pulsar 150, the other one is KTM Duke 200. But I'll be going slowly and steadily. So this is Throttle Shortle, a very good place, very good, food joint, especially for bikers. No, anyone can come, but basically for bikers, it's a good concept. Yeah, I want to ride the MV Agusta, the Dragster 800RR any given fucking day. On these roads, any roads. I just wanna lay my hands on them. I'm just gonna have fun with it because it's a very beautiful bike. Yeah, we're just continuing on the highway. It's a bit far. I don't know, somewhere around 10 to 15 kilometers. I haven't kept a record out of it. So I guess that's the fat boy. Yeah, most probably I'll be heading back very quickly. So I'm just giving you a little tour of Gurgaon Faridabad Highway, or what you call GFR. It's just a straight road, a bit of a few curves and all. But if you want to have fun, a major fun, then I guess you need to go towards Surajkund, because the roads are amazing. But yeah, I know there'll be many speed breakers and all. So there's another place where you can stay for a couple of while, have a cigarette, a tea, chat with people, or keep a get together, which is just after the crossing of the toll. And don't ask me what toll it is. Go slow, obviously we're going slow. So that exactly is the place. The number of people or the crowd is less out here as compared to the last time I visited here. I'm not wearing any jacket because I said I had some other plans. I didn't have the intention to come to Gurgaon Faridabad Highway, but the plan was fucked up, so I had no other option but to leave from there directly rather than going back home and changing and coming. I'll be losing much amount of time. So I'm just continuing out here. Quite racing and all, just to be there. That's why I don't ride on a group. So it's better if you ride solo because you are to yourself. You have the freedom to do whatever fuck you want to do, but with responsibility. Throttle goes, the bike revs itself. I'm not doing it. The curves are letting me do it. आज क्या है? हाँ one quick advice, don't ride when you're riding on a highway, don't never ride with your visor open, because anything like a butterfly, a mosquito, a small insect can go inside and can cause a lot of damage. So better be safe than sorry. And if you like the advice, do hit the like button, share, comment. I'm just kidding. You're good. Well, he seems to be in a hurry. We can go further, but Faridabad is up to here, the highway ends here. So I just want to say that the road's been very good. As you can see, from here you can go to Sona, Balabgarh. Agra is 180 kilometers from here. So I'll be heading back home because I have to reach back as soon as possible because I have some work important. That's a huge idol of Hanuman ji. Jai Shri Ram! This is somewhere around 24 kilometers stretch. So this is somewhere around 24 kilometers stretch. Sorry for the bad audio. The bad audio only happens when the visor is down. Otherwise it's perfectly good. Yeah. I wish I could pop a wheelie. But nah, I don't know. I'm quite happy today. Bike lane only. Gotcha. Copy that. Woohoo! Guy lane. Glimpse of what looks like. So this is Crowded Shuttle. I guess there's something going on out here, but pretty good, I must tell, pretty good. I knew that! That was Gurgaon Faridabad highway for you guys. Especially I did it for you. Just enjoy it. Alright? Just enjoy it. Have some fun. Have some fun with it. I am not asking for anything else. I just want you to have fun. Enjoy it. Share it, like it, comment. Share with the fellow friends. Share with the friends who ride, share with the friends who don't ride, share with the person who rides bike and who are planning to buy a bike. Share with everyone, show some love!
We got history, yeah.